I'm from Bangladesh. Nice to see you.
Bangladesh?
Yes, I am. Where are you from?
America.
Oh wow, amazing. I'm so happy to see you,
Yeah,
I've been looking some good friends, to improve my English language. I've been learning English and I'm an English teacher as well. I
you're
have
good.
two students. Yeah.
You're good at English. You're
Thank
good
you.
at English.
I've been
I
teaching.
could tell. I like it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I feel like you have a golden heart. You know how to treat people because I'm a non-native English speaker. Sometimes it's
Yeah, it's hard.
hard.
It's hard. English is hard.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard for me to embrace myself. That's why I'm not good at
Yes,
communicating. Yeah.
you're so good. You're so good.
Hey, what's your name?
Amazing.
Thank you.
Addie.
Addie, it's a lovely name. Awesome. You know, I
Thank you.
I have watched a movie. It's called Venom. Did you watch it?
Venom?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I,
it's good.
I love this movie, and he was from England. Maybe his name was Eddie.
Yeah. Yeah, he's British.
British. You've got a British accent.
He's British. Isn't
Wow.
it?
Hey, can you do British accent? Oh my gosh, you're
Of
amazing.
course I could do a British accent for ya. Anytime you want, brother.
Oh my
Anytime.
gosh, I'm shocked. How can you do that? Wow, amazing.
I don't know. Oi, governor, what you think about the weather? Isn't it great, isn't it?
You gotta be kidding me.
That's the best.
It could be a British. You could be a British. Like, hey, give me
Thank
a
you.
bottle of a bottle of water.
A
How do
bottle
you
of
say that?
water. I
Yeah.
need a bottle of water. Oh my god. Give me a bottle of water.
Do you enjoy hearing British accent?
Yeah, I like it.
But for me,
It's good.
it's pretty hard for me to catch up their accent. Sometimes I don't understand them at all.
Me neither. Do you like American accent?
Yes, I do. I've been learning English by watching Hollywood movies.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's
thank you.
good.